You hear the word average all the time, but what does it actually mean?
So you've got a bunch of numbers. How do you find just one to represent them all?
It's called central tendency. It's kind of like finding the center of gravity for your data.
Turns out, there isn't just one type of average. Let's look at the three big ones.
First, there's the mean. This is the one you probably learned in school. Just add them up and divide.
Then you've got the median. It's literally the number smack dab in the middle of the list. And last, the mode. This one's easy. It's just the number that shows up the most often.
Okay, let's put this into practice with a real-world example.
To find the mean weight, we just add them all up and divide by 11. Pretty simple.
Now for the median, we just line them up. And look, the one right in the middle is 20.
And since 20 appears 3 times, more than any other number, that's our mode.
The mode is also super useful for stuff that isn't numbers, like finding the most popular choice.
Okay, but here's where things get tricky. Averages can actually be pretty misleading sometimes.
Check out these 10 salaries. See how 2 of them are way, way higher than the others?
So just by looking at this, what would you guess is the typical salary?
Well, if you calculate the mean, you get an average salary of $33,000.
But wait a second, does that seem right? Most workers make $18,000 or less.
Yeah, the mean gets totally thrown off by those 2 super high salaries. We call those outliers.
And this is exactly where the median is the hero. It's a much more realistic $16,000. So this all leads to the big question. How do you know which average you should use?
Think of it like this. Each one is a different tool for a different job. It's all about context.
So next time you see an average reported, stop and ask, which one are they really using?